And now, I'd like to introduce and welcome to the stage, Lady Funcke. Lady is an Interpersonal Practice MSW student participating in our online program from her home in Florida, and she came up to be with us here today in Ann Arbor. Welcome, Lady.
Thank you, Dean Angel. Can everyone hear me well? Welcome, Changemakers and Wolverines. I would like to start with a poem that is deep in my heart. In the shadows, we have dwelt, but from darkness, our stories surge. With support, we rose. We broke free to rewrite our tales, as you soon will see. Today, I stand before you as a living testament of the power of second chances, the strength of human spirit, and the profound impact of community, love, and support. My journey, like many others, has been marked by the resilience, determination, and the unwavering belief in the possibility of change. I'm not just a student. Great, I love Go Blue. But I'm also a formerly incarcerated Latina. Some will see me as a Latina. Some will see me as of indigenous descent. Upon returning to the state of Florida from serving my time in prison, I faced a series of daunting obstacles. The world was quick to judge me based on my past, based on my decisions, based on being broken. As a human being, I was broken, yes, but I was a human being. There was one faculty that saw me more than that broken person. They saw me more than a statistic. They saw me as a human, as a potential, as the student that I could be. It was the unwavering support of dedicated professors that allowed me to dream, that believed in me, that saw there was a world ahead of me. Now, before I continue, those who know me know that I'm an interactive person and I'm bubbly. I invite you to look to your right and look to your left. I invite you to just look at the person you have next to you with a warm smile. These smiles represent a power of community, the strength of connection, and the importance of seeing one another as a fellow human, rather than titles or the past we each carry. You may wonder, why do I ask you to this? Because a smile could help someone get so far. Trust me, I'm here. In those early days, as I was embarking on my journey to regaining my life, to educate myself and strive for success, the support I received was nothing short from transformative. My journey was marked by the unwavering support of my loving husband, who saw the potential in me when I was struggling to see it in myself. He just held my hand and said, "We got this." It was not, "You got this." Also, my family. They provided a safety net to encourage me, that propelled me forward. This is the power of a compassionate community, a community that refuses to judge people solely by their past, but instead sees potential, sees love, sees a future, sees the smile we all need. My path to be here and stand in front of you was far from straightforward. I wanted to continue my learning. As mentioned, I'm from the state of Florida. It wasn't easy. I wanted to learn, grow, advocate, and create pathways to success for other people like myself. But once again, I felt in the dark. The road to a master's degree was paved by rejection after rejection. "You're great. We could have you in our school." "Oh, you can pass a background check. You have a pass." It was hard. Tell me, it was hard. People think that just faces one person, but it faces all. I tried to see light. There was no light. I seemed challenging at times. The system I sought to transform continued to hold me back because I had a past. But there was a light, my light. My light was the University of Michigan. There was the support, the smile, the love, and the community who saw beyond my decisions and recognized me as a student, as the human and the advocate in me. I'm here today because I want each and every one of you to understand the profound impact and support a community can have in someone. It had it in me. I created a family in the University of Michigan. They are my light. They have not just been staff or professors. They have allowed me to own my story. And I said, to keep dreaming, to keep speaking my voice without being shut down. Now, once again, I ask you to turn to the person to the right and to the person to the left with that amazing smile you all have. You might not know their stories, their journey, or their obstacles, but you can be the support community that makes a difference in someone's life. It is essential we recognize the importance of creating pathways to success for everyone, including system-impacted individuals. We must see past the mistakes or choices and understand we all have a story. We all have a journey, and we all have the capacity for change and growth. I want you to reflect on the importance and the power of second chances, but acknowledge that some never even have the first chance. We served our sentences. We are human. We are strong, and we manifest our hopes, capacity of achievement, and dreams of success. As we all take part of this amazing event, I want you to remember the power of compassionate community, the profound impact of support, and the transformative power of love. Let us all be change makers, advocates, and supporters of individuals that need their path to success. Together we can create a brighter, more inclusive, and equitable future for all. Thank you for being part of my journey. Thank you, each one of you. Your smile helped me be here today. Let's create more stories like mine. Thank you, everyone.